Now to start the tuple, let's create a list first. So let me add my list is equal to, let's say, Rahul and 9999. Okay, then let's see the type of it, my list. Okay, and let's execute the code here, and you can see that your type is list. Now to create a tuple, sorry, let me add it from here. So now to create a tuple, let me add another variable, let's say my tuple, and it's equal to, there is a math function called tuple, and using this you can convert your list into tuple. Okay, so let's say my list. Okay, now once you convert this into tuple, so what will be done, like it has a property like you will not be able to change the value. So let me see the type first. So my tuple here. Okay, and the type should be tuple, and let's print the value as well, like my tuple, so it should print the values. Okay, all right, let me print, let me print list as well, my list, and here you can see, so now you can see the difference. Okay, so tuple start with, you can see the difference, like tuple start with this bracket, and list start with this bracket. Okay, so you can see the difference in both. Now let me try to just change a value. So let's say I want to write, like, first of all let's print and my tuple, let's say 0 position. Okay, so it is showing correct, and now let me just try to assign a value. Let me try to write like my tuple 0 is equal to John. Okay, now it should not let me add value, so here you can see that it is throwing error. So it is saying that tuple object doesn't support item assignment. So as we stated earlier as well, like tuple is read only and you can only assign a value once. So now we have a value already assigned, so now you cannot change the value. So I think we are good here. Okay, thank you.